So this year I had the blessing of having a schoolroom to use because one of my daughters decided to move in with her sister, and it left this whole bedroom available for us to turn into a schoolroom. And started a little micro school at my house. Two of my friends come and bring their kids, and we do school together at my house 3 days a week. And so I just thought I would give a little tour and just to show you around. So I have another video that talks about our timeline. Here I have our Hamlet super messy character map. We use Simply Charlotte Mason's Shakespeare in 3 Steps, I think it's called. And so, yeah, the character map was from the retelling. And then, sorry, someone was at the door. I'm back. Yeah, so this is our whole history timeline and our geography maps. I made a whole video about this wall if you'd like to go look it up. Up here, I have all of the books that are books that I don't really want kids just grabbing because they may be part of our curriculum at some point. I don't really want them free reading anything up there. And over here I have my teacher shelf with most of my personal resources. Again, books that I don't really want kids touching. I've put up here some of our Latin. I am making little posters to go along with our Latin lessons. We are using Visual Latin 1 this year with our 4th, 5th, and 6th graders, and that's going pretty well. We watch the video right here, and then the kids watch the video and work on the worksheets together. And then over here, a little shelf for our little Form 0 kids. We have a couple kindergarten, preschool kids, and just keeping a few books there for them. And back there is the bedroom closet, but I bought a sheet set from Walmart. So I have a curtain rod, which is suspension curtain rod for like the bathroom, I think. And I hung a sheet there, and then the couch has the matching fitted sheet, and my windowsill way over there has the matching pillowcase. So anyway, behind here is quite messy. Okay, the secret's behind there, and my cat. I am still planning to organize this closet. My laminator's in there and a bunch of other things. I really should spend some time doing that, but I haven't. So we just hide it. Over here, little display area for some of their artwork and their handcraft things that they keep up with. We have a new plan. Whoever can keep as many pencils in their box as possible by the end of the year wins. What do they win? Nothing. They win pencils. Nature study books and our nature study box. This is where all of our students leave all of their binders over the weekend. There are 5 in Form 2 and 2 in Form 1, and then 3 littles, I think. Yeah. And we keep some Sharpies and other art supplies across the bottom, drawing supplies in the corner. Yes, it's messy. I have visions for this particular section, but I haven't yet to get it done. And there's it's a bed, so that if we have a guest over, we can turn this into a guest room briefly. This is, our Form 1 is doing Simply Charlotte Mason's Discovering Our World, I think it's called. And they've been doing planets, and so they each, they worked on making planets, and then we did narrate. They were able to tell us back what they heard about each planet. And then we have our motto up here and a bunch of books that they are allowed to grab off for free reading because most of them are not part of curriculum that we've chosen. Plants that I struggle to keep alive. And then our schedule. I know that in Charlotte Mason schooling concepts, having a posted schedule is super important. So the one drawback is that it's not very different. The only difference each day is we do Latin twice a week and Shakespeare only once. So that alternates kind of. But yeah, they kind of like having the routine and knowing what's coming next. Our family subjects time. So for morning time, we do a hymn, a Bible verse, a poem, our motto, and prayer time. And then for science, they split up into forms. And then for family subjects, each family has an assigned spot in the house to work on math, language arts, things like that. And because all of us had chosen kind of different curriculum that worked well for our kids, and we didn't want to give that up for our microschool concept. So yeah, family subjects, and then we come back into forms for history, geography, and then the little ones do a handcraft or just have free play time while the Form 2 kids do Latin or Shakespeare. And then we're done around 12:30 or so. So that's our microschool schedule for Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We have a co-op together on Tuesdays. And then this semester we're going to actually add Fridays at a different house. So these are most of my school books that I use for, history or science lessons. And I think that brings us back around to the beginning. So that's it. That is the schoolroom as we're using it this year. The rest of my house is utilized for school in different spots, but it is not cleaned up yet, so I'm not going to add it to this video. So let me know if there's anything in particular you saw that you'd like to hear more about. Thanks. Bye.